my name's Chapman and I am off on the road again. I've been doing a lot of travelling lately, which makes me really, really good at packing. Hi everyone, no big deal or anything, but we have a private jet behind us. How cool is that? I had no idea. We turned up to an airport, Farnborough Airport, and the guy's like, here we go, this is our flight. So there's 20 of us getting on this guy. How exciting is that? Morning. Come on, Oliver. Find that key. Oliver, we've got, look, on the floor there, bud. Look, one there, one there. Oh, yeah. Welcome to Corsica. You may be wondering what I'm doing here and wondering what was going on with the balloons. I'm about to explain all. So as you can see, there's a bunch of really sexy cars around. These are the new Jaguar E-Pace, and they are hot. So basically they're a very compact SUV. So you might have seen lots of F-Paces around. They're kind of the bigger brother of this car. They're beautiful. Basically, we were balloons earlier. As soon as we landed in the airport, there were balloons everywhere. And we're split into two teams, the red team and the blue team. Oliver Cheshire here, he's my partner in crime. Say hi. Oh, there he is. He's my partner, we're driving together. Welcome to the vehicle. How you feeling there, Chesh? In the driver's seat?
I'm alright.
Yeah?
Yeah,
you looking
nice.
good. You looking good.
On the right hand side of the road.
Yeah, I know. Every time I drive in Europe, as soon as I get like out of the airport in the car, I always want to go on the left hand side to start with.
It's natural reaction, isn't it? The first thing you do, but then you get used to it.
And then you see a car coming towards you. Oh yeah, wrong side of the road. So we've landed in Corsica on the map in the airport. We are here. And we are going to here. So it's about 5 hours away with a few stops on the way. We've got like a few technical challenges, a few drivey spots. We're going to be stopping and starting and swapping and all sorts. In the meantime, I've just posted this on Instagram stories. Hi everyone, I'm in a car with the one, the only, the very, very attractive Oliver Cheshire.
Right.
We're in Corsica trying out the new Jaguar E-Pace and figured why not do an Ask Ollie and Jim. So reply to this story with loads of questions and I'm going to grill him while he drives. So let's have a little Q&A session with Oliver Cheshire while he drives. No. Welcome to Car Cam, Oliver. Feeling good?
I'm feeling alright.
I've got some questions for you here.
Alright. Already?
Yeah, already.
Really?
Here's the first one.
Okay.
Oh, it's not even a question. It just says, I know Oliver's brother.
Oh, really?
By the way, love your videos, Jim.
Who's
this comes
my
from...
brother? My little brother.
I'm guessing. Have you got a big brother?
Che. I got a big brother and a little brother.
Oh, right.
My little brother's called Che.
This comes from Sunjana Puni.
How old?
I have no idea.
Okay. I reckon it's my little brother. I'm going, it's my little brother.
I would say so. She's got stars around her username.
Yeah,
which
my little brother.
Okay.
Hello.
Next question. A basic question. Are you having fun?
I'm having lots of fun and I've got a great companion.
Ah, bless you.
And we're taking turns driving through this wonderful country.
It's also beautiful here, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean,
I'm going to show you some outside stuff soon. But
I actually want to go on Rightmove and check out like some of the houses about, you know, you never know.
I've never been here before.
Yeah, no, I've never been here, but it's
lovely.
beautiful. I like the vegetation, it's nice and green and I'm sure it's sunny.
Vegetation? What, are you an antelope?
No, pretty much.
Next question. How did you guys first meet and what brands are you really digging this season? That's a good question. How did we first meet?
We first met...
I remember our first meeting.
Okay,
go on. You tell me your story first.
I feel like it was Fashion Week.
It was.
Yeah.
Do you know what? It was Fashion Week and I sat front row at a show. I think it was Top Man.
Yeah.
And I was really shy and really nervous. It was my first time. And you went, hello mate, come sit here.
And we fed you loads of gin.
Yeah, well, not, yeah, that was later that evening. That was later that evening. But you were like, hello mate, come sit here. And I was like, oh, I like you.
Yeah, no, that was fun.
And to me, you were one of the big guys as well, because I'd only been going for a few seasons, and it was like you and David and a few others who were like really top dogs.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my god, he spoke to me.
Oh, shut up.
That's how we first met. And what brands are you really digging this season?
All about Fendi.
I'm really digging this little number here. I designed this. This is from the Jim Chapman and Percival range. 2 items of outerwear.
I actually saw that earlier and I loved it.
Do you know what? I've had 3 separate compliments on it just today alone. It's the first time I've worn it because it only arrived yesterday. You're digging Fendi at the moment?
Absolutely loved everything Fendi are doing at the moment. The last show was amazing. The last 2 shows have been spectacular. So, I mean, might have to save my pennies and buy a few pieces, you know what I'm saying?
In terms of London shows, I really liked Oliver Spencer, as always. It's so wearable, so cool.
I loved Astrid Anderson.
I didn't see that show.
Oh, the cowboys and the sportswear. Something very special, you know. It's all big big trend emerging right now, cowboys, and I've just brought my first pair of cowboy boots. So expect to see me
I remember
in them
you
soon.
told me about buying them.
Yeah, I told you. But I said a year ago.
Yeah,
I said it's going to be a big trend. And the trend is kind of just emerging now.
Was it red ones you were buying? You told me you were going to buy them.
Yeah, I brought some, but I never did. So I've just brought some off eBay. They're only 50 quid, but I want to do a real classical pair.
I am digging both Corsica and the E-Pace. It's got some go in it, hasn't it? We're driving the what have we got? We've got the petrol. And it's 300 PS. Is that right?
Yeah.
So it's a pretty decent engine, and it goes. It's great. It's also really roomy. We're going around lots of bends here, so if my camera work is shoddy, I'm really sorry. I got it. Is it still filming? I think we're still going.
We might have some good footage.
Yeah, we're still going. I got you. I got you. I don't know. Cover some distance. The car's back there. Wow. Okay. So note to self: don't stick the sticky thing on a dusty windscreen because it don't stick. Oh, now that we're getting caught up. We're at a little stop in a bit of a convoy, so I thought I'd show you some of the views. It is spectacular here. I'm going to walk through this foliage, little roughage here. Look, it's beautiful here. I want to live in Corsica now. It's amazing. The other reason we're swapping and that I'm taking over now is because Oliver may have given us a flat tyre. I think he hit a rock a little bit with a bit too much gusto. Progress report on the tyre. This is the old one. Oh, Cheshire, that is properly flat. What do you have to say for yourself?
Yes, Jimmy boy.
I'm at the helm now. I think we're going to give Oliver a little time out after the way he behaved. To be fair, it wasn't really his fault. He just hit a rock, unluckily, you know, and that's the way it is. And now I'm at the helm, but going a mite more slowly.
We can't have two.
Slightly more carefully because
we can't have two punches.
We might have
in the
peaked too
diet.
soon, mightn't we? But this is great. So we just had a photo at the top of the hill behind us, and now the terrain's slightly different now. So before it was quite dusty and like rocky. Still rocky now, but it's like muddy and yeah, it's great though. The car's handling it well. We have a bit of a ford ahead, and I think people have just been told to just fun. I'm going to film it. Well, I was going to get Oliver to film it, but I don't think it's going to be quite jumpy. But that's cool. I think I've just been told to rev through it. Woo!
Yes, Jim Bob, how was that?
That was fun. Well, the idea was to make the biggest smash you can, so I just put it into manual, dropped down to first, and then just went and revved it. So let's hope for the best.
Nice work.
We're back on the road. Oliver Cheshire's in charge, and we've got some tunes. Who's gonna drive you home tonight? Yeah. It's raining. So we've basically been going higher and higher. So when we stopped for lunch maybe 2 hours ago, it was beautiful. It was actually like 15 degrees and the sun was out and it was stunning. And now we've kind of just been climbing and doing like really narrow hairpin bends and going up this hill, or mountain even I suppose it is, and now it's raining and it's cold. We've got one more stop. Actually no, this is our final stop and then we go to the hotel we're staying at. But everyone's in such good spirits. They're just in that building there having coffee and stuff. Everyone's in really good moods because we've just been, you know, having kind of great driving experiences with friends, and we've had some questionable music on though. Oliver's been in charge of the music. We've had a very eclectic mix. If you follow me on Instagram stories, you'll have seen me singing along to a few. But yeah, it's been great.
The exercise you now have to complete is you have to get as many people as you possibly can in the vehicle in the shortest amount of time. Okay. You don't have to shut all the doors and you don't have to shut the boot.
So you heard the rules. Basically, you get as many people as you can. The thing is, blue team is much bigger. Like we are, I'm 6'3", 6'4". We've got some pretty big guys. Adam with the umbrella is hench. Devin Gandy here is what, you 6'3"?
Yep, 6'3".
6'3", bit shorter than me. Tom here, who's tiny Tom, will be fine.
I'm actually 6'4".
Are you? If you come from down here, you might be. There you go.
No gouging. 3, 2, 1, go! Stop. Quick, faster.
Forward, keep forward as far as it'll go.
Finished?
I'm in the driver's seat.
Are you all in?
Yep.
Are you finished? Stop the clock!
That was quick.
Is it worth it?
Hold that position.
No, I am.
Round of applause.
So Jag have been very clever and put all of our destinations in the sat nav. So every time we
Now
stop
turn
somewhere,
left and then turn right.
okay. Every time we stop somewhere, the next destination's already there, so we know where we go. However, we got out to take a photo and accidentally cancelled the
Now
sat nav
turn right
and didn't
and
realise
then
for a while.
immediately turn right onto Route D Elos
We've done
Bill.
about 30 kilometres, not in the wrong direction as it happens, just, oh no,
Now
there's one of my
turn
cars!
right.
We're back en route! So we've been doing about 30 kilometres, just actually in the right direction, but totally by accident. So
Yeah, totally.
I just called the people going, I think we're going where we're supposed to be going. We were going back to the airport. So yeah, we're back on track now, and we kind of just took like 2 miles out of the way. So good news, we're on our way. So I made it to the hotel, and actually we weren't the last people there despite taking a wrong turn. And this place is amazing. It's actually, again, we've gone lower again, so it's warmer. We've got like an outdoor heated pool down there behind me, and the beach is literally a walk. So what you just saw there, ladies and gentlemen, was my first ever bit of drone flying. Not my finest work, but I wanted to have a go this evening before I have a go tomorrow and try and make some sexy looking stuff. You don't get much battery. Like, that was 10 minutes, not even that, maybe 5 minutes of flying. And I tried to go down to the pool to see Tom and Adam, who are having a little swim, and they were like, hello, which is cool. But it's very dark as well, so it'll be quite grainy, that footage. But tomorrow, we'll get some good stuff. Good morning, everybody. This hotel is amazing. We got here yesterday and the sun was down. It looked beautiful, but didn't get to properly explore. But got quite a chilled morning this morning. I woke up super early. Because when I'm in a hotel somewhere like this, I like to sleep with my curtains open so the sunlight wakes me up. So I woke up early, and I'd been sort of flying my drone, getting some cool footage, and then a bigger drone came along. And this is the first time I've flown it, really, and I thought I was doing really well. And then the bigger drone came along, like one of the other guys has got one here, and was like doing circles around mine and making me look stupid, so I landed it. And also, battery life is awful. But last night, I think we finished at about 1:30 in the morning, went to bed, and then I had a chilled start this morning. There's lots of people over here, look, if I show you. They're doing water activities. So where's Adam? Adam is actually the guy behind that branch there. Let me go around this branch. Here he is, the guy in the black. He's a mate of mine, but he's a big guy, like he's hench. Actually, looks pretty majestic. I wasn't expecting that. I thought he was going to go down. convinced to go on the rib boat, which I've been on the rib boat before. They go fast. Wait, Chris, why have you got a wetsuit? Where'd you get that from? Did you bring it with you? He's got a wetsuit on. I'm going in a hoodie. It's fine. I'm going on a speedboat. I don't want to go paddleboarding. Adam went in just as I stopped filming and said it's freezing. Plus I didn't really bring any swimming stuff with me and I'm not good in water. Happy being on a boat. I'm on a speedboat! Partner in crime, Oliver, who I did see earlier but is slightly hungover. This time we're in the red cars, the red ones being diesel and the blue ones being petrol. So we get an entire sort of check out of the roster. Actually, we're going drifting, which would be amazing. I think drifting in these cars will be excellent. We're in this one, dude. Here he is. Looking fresh. Looking fresh. Feeling fresh? No. No.
Back in the car.
So we just started driving off. Oliver's driving today, and he pulled away. He put his stuff behind the car to take a few photos, and pulled away and went, "Shit, I've not put my stuff in the car." So
It's always a good idea.
to stop so he can actually put everything in. Meanwhile, our nose is poking out, and we're holding up traffic. So let's go. We've reached a tough bit, everyone. We are going over this bridge here. David Gandy's in the car in front. Let's hope he doesn't fall off that bridge. But it's quite tight, so we've got people
Let's hope
directing
he
us.
falls off the bridge.
Let's hope he doesn't.
Yes, definitely hope he doesn't.
Pressure's on, Gandy.
Dun dun dun.
He didn't do that. He didn't do that brilliantly. So we were told to look, like she was watching the car. We were told to watch her. He was giving directions. She's going full lock, and I was going no, no, it's obviously not full lock. She's like, yeah, full lock. We got there in the end. So before we do drifting, we're doing a little kind of rally course, and basically you've got bollards set up with tennis balls on the bollards, and they are very narrow, and you have to do the course without hitting the bollards off. I've had a go. There's been 5 of us so far. I'm in 4th place. Basically, you get... It's one of those things where you decide to go slow and steady and not hit any bollards, or you go for it. Every time you hit a ball off, you get a 30-second penalty. So I got a time of 1:25 with 1 penalty, which puts me at 1:55, which actually isn't bad. But Mark Stickley here did 1:15 with no penalties. Vicky McClear's killing it. 58.93, that is fast. But then with 1 penalty, it takes it to 1:28. And here's me, sitting in 4th place. This person, 3 penalties? That's unacceptable, Jonathan Wells. Good luck. Don't beat 1:25. Well, not looking good for me so far. There's still time. Someone can do worse than this. Surely. Someone do worse than that, please. Oh! 1:29, no penalties for Oliver Cheshire. Not bad. Lunch break, and I have to be honest, I can think of worse places to have lunch. We've got like an infinity pool, 2 infinity pools really actually, and then that view in the background you can't see is like stunning. It's like an old town, but on right at the crest of a hill. It's beautiful. And then we're going in here to have fish and chips. We just had the best lunch ever, and then had 20 minutes just hanging out in the sun, and it is a beautiful day. And now we're heading to the airport. It's the final leg of the journey, so I'm going to end it here because you're not going to see much. We've got like 20 minutes now of sort of normal road driving rather than sort of the windy stuff. So I've had a great time. Massive thank you to Jack for having me. Thanks to Oliver Cheshire here for being my partner in crime. He's tired, bless him. He's had a big weekend. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.